Hello, my name is Tejashwini and now I'm going to present my Tableau capstone project based on confirmed COVID-19 cases report from 22nd Jan 2022, March 13 2020 in Tableau Public. And for this topic, I have choose to describe about total number of confirmed and death cases in top 10 countries within the span of those 4 months. And I have downloaded the data from Data Hub and the same link has been posted here and a problem statements. I have a problem statements related to my data and the same has been showed in the form of graphical representation along with the outcome of the project. And outcome of the project is really very important as is the reason why the project is being initiated, and with the help of the outcome we can easily save the time and the analyzing of data also becomes very easy. So here is my first satellite map, which is very important. uh, so as it describes the overall world information in it. So here it shows that USA has almost 5,43,374 active cases until 13th April. So I have highlighted it with a dark blue color circle, and that might be due to very reasons because USA almost it has the highest number of population in the country, and due to maybe because the precautions were not followed, or maybe due to lack of medicine available at that time. So, and the report here shows it's the line chart, and which shows the number of cases that are increasing day by day. Uh, these are confirmed death cases until 13th 4 2020. So here until 2013 4 2020, the confirmed cases all over the world are 17 lakh 94,110, and the confirmed deaths are 1 lakh 14,510. And I have used the line charts to represent my data. And here, as we all know, that Italy is the most affected country by corona in the initial days. So, with an almost of 20,465 death rates until 13th April 2020, followed by USA, Spain, and France. So, this is not a live data set. This is a like past data set, which is not updated one. So, we can get the updated data set directly from the Google Sheets uh, through the Tableau Live option. So here the analysis is the state-wise confirmed cases. It was represented in a bar chart, and we all know that as US is the most affected country and the most affected state in the US is New York, with almost a 1,94,170 confirmed cases until April 4, 2020. So the final report is USA has chances of more death cases because the highest spreading of virus due to maybe the climatic conditions there, or maybe measures are not followed by the people, or maybe any other reasons. So it is my final dashboard. Thank you. Okay. So now I'll show you my dashboard. So as we all know that 17 lakh 94,110 is the count of the total confirmed cases, with New York standing the state one, like 1 lakh 94,170, followed by New Jersey and some other states. So, and the data is from only till only 13 for 2020. So the confirmed status. So as I have already shown in my dashboard, so it's until 13 for 2020. New York is the highest, is the only state in the entire world which has almost 1 lakh 94,170 active cases or the confirmed cases, and the confirmed deaths are 1 lakh 14,510, and the same has been represented in a line graph. The confirmed deaths, these are the confirmed cases and these are the confirmed deaths which were increasing till 13th 4 2020. So yeah, this is a bar chart which represents the most number of deaths. So until 13th 4 2020, there were almost 20,465 deaths only in Italy, followed by USA and Spain. So this is my final dashboard. So here I have used only four sheets, four bars, sorry. So because we can anyways use as many as stats we want, but I just want the information to be very clear. So I have only used confirmed cases, confirmed deaths, and the countries affected by it. So here, until 13/4/2020, as I already said, there are 17 lakhs 94,110 confirmed cases and 1,14,510 confirmed deaths. So if we want this data from January to March, we can get it. So now if you can see, the bar is slowly decreasing. I have just looked my playback and it is showing the number of graphs, sorry, the confirmed cases and the confirmed deaths that are increasing, because there were no such cases until 13th April. And from, as I said, my data is from January to March, sorry, January to April. It is slowly increasing, sorry, slowly decreasing. And here we can see the top 10 countries with the most confirmed cases on the particular date. So it was a 9/3, right? So on 6/3/2020, there were 89,987 total confirmed cases overall worldwide. And I also have the states that were mostly affected, and the confirmed deaths were 3,326, and top 10 countries with confirmed cases. And USA has almost 155 cases confirmed on only 6/3/2020, and followed by Italy, Iran, and top 10 countries with deaths are Italy, of course, and China. So yeah, if we can see, the graph is usually decreasing. The graph is usually decreasing because there were no such cases found in the initial stages of this virus, but now it has rapidly increasing. So we can get this live data from Google Sheets to Tableau Public and through the data source available from Google, and we can uh, get to know the updated figure of the coronavirus. Thank you.